Hey yo, what's going on, you guys? It's Fun2Aviation here, back at it again with another video. And in today's video, we're going to be unboxing this American Airlines Airbus A321. Alright, I guess without further ado, let's just dive right on into this video. Here you go, you get the front of the box. It's an older Gemini Jets box, and I don't know why, but there's no made for collectors by collectors up here, so that's either that's like a defect for this box, or it's just what they were doing back in, I think, 2018 is when this model came out. But here's the front of the box, here are the sides. Here's the back, old Gemini Jets style on the back. This one's kind of nostalgic for me because that's right around when I started getting into collecting. This was this came out 1 year after this channel was started. But here is the flap. It's the old style flap. I think this flap was like kind of cool, but I really like the new one because it's a little more modern than this one. And there is the model. So let's go ahead and break this baby open. I got this one off of my friend. He used to have a YouTube channel. That's where I got all of these models. So if you want to watch these videos, there's going to be a card popping up right here for the next like 30 seconds, a minute, I think. But make sure you guys go watch all of those after this video is over. I ended up getting 2 of these for free. He kind of threw these in for me buying all the other ones. He wanted to move on from his collection, and I made a deal with him. If these videos do well, I'll go back and get some more. But anyways, here is the model. It's a very beautiful model. There's the side, and yeah, I got 2 of these. He threw these in, so yeah, I'm really thankful for him hooking me up. Got a great deal. And I got 2 of these for a little model airport project that I have coming up. And you should see the first one right, I think about a week or 2 from now. Depends when I finish it. But you should see the first video of that project coming out. I'm not gonna spoil it, but if you know airports in Florida, you know why this is important. But anyways, guys, thank you all so much for watching this series. Can't thank you all enough for all the support recently on the videos and before, even when this YouTube channel was started out. I can't thank you guys enough. But anyways, guys, thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you next week for a trip report. First one of 2023. Anyways, guys, thank you all so much for watching. Anyways, this is Fun2Aviation signing off.